Children, I am rubbing my hands on each other and then I am going to take them to cheeks. And I am feeling warm here. Why? Because there is production of heat, generation of heat due to rubbing of hands. And this heat is nothing but there is rise in temperature due to some actions, and that is called heat. And this heat is transferred from one place to another, and this is called transfer of heat. Flow of heat from one place to another is called transfer of heat. Now, there are some modes of transfer. How it is transferred, that we will see. There are three modes of transfer. They are conduction, convection and radiation. Conduction in Marathi, it is called Vahan. Then convection, Abhisaran, and radiation, Praran. Now we will see the comparative study of these three. First point is its definition. Transfer of heat, conduction. First point we are going to study is conduction. Transfer of heat from hot part of an object to cold part is called conduction of heat. See, from hot part to cold part, the heat is transferred, and that is called conduction of heat. What is convection now? Transfer of heat by convection currents is called convection. It takes place in the form of convection currents. There are streams of these currents. It goes up and down, up and down. These streams are seen in the liquids and in gases, and that is called convection. Then radiation, transfer of heat without a medium is called radiation. Now the second point is it takes place in solids. Conduction takes place in solids and convection takes place in liquids as well as gases, and radiation takes place in gases and in vacuum. Now conduction, it requires a medium. It needs a medium. Without medium it cannot be done. Convection also requires medium, but radiation does not require any medium. It needs no medium. Now the example of conduction is heating a pan, heating of spoon, heating of pan. There are so many numbers of examples are there, plenty of examples are there, but we have some limitations. So etc, etc. Then convection, boiling of liquid. While making tea, we see that milk or water, it starts boiling. We can see the currents of those streams or currents of this water or milk in that pot, so that we can make it clear. The convection, concept of convection will be clear when you will see the process of formation of currents in the boiling of liquid. Then radiation, bonfire, shikoti. If you sit near a bonfire and if you take hands near the bonfire, not in but near, at that time you feel the heat of that bonfire. Why? Because due to radiation, that heat transfer of heat takes place and it reaches to our hands, our body. That's why in winter we sit near a bonfire so that we will feel hot. And infrared camera is also an example of radiation. This infrared camera, it is used to spot the enemies at the time of wars. In this way, these are three processes, three modes of heat transfer: conduction, convection and radiation. Thank you.